In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live captions in Microsoft Teams during your meetings. This is a fantastic tool for making your meetings more accessible and ensuring everyone can follow along, whether they have hearing impairments or are in a noisy environment. We'll walk you through the process step by step, so by the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate live captions into your Teams meetings. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is access Microsoft Teams. If you're already familiar with this platform, you're probably used to jumping into meetings or collaborating with your team. If not, no worries. Simply open your browser and navigate to Microsoft Teams. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, joining or creating a meeting is straightforward. Now say you're in the middle of an important discussion or presentation within a meeting. To enhance the clarity and accessibility of what's being discussed, you will want to activate those live captions. This next step is crucial. During your meeting, look toward the bottom center of your screen where you'll find several icons. Click on the icon labeled More, which typically appears as 3 horizontal dots. This is your gateway to a variety of settings and features that Teams offers to enhance your meeting experience. Upon clicking More, a menu will appear with numerous options. Here, you're going to focus on finding the Language and Speech option. Don't worry if you're new to this, Teams has made it quite user-friendly. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Show Live Captions. Simply select this option and Teams will begin to display live captions for everything being said in the meeting. These captions will start appearing toward the bottom of your screen and will update in real time. This feature is particularly useful not only for accessibility, but also for those who might be joining the meeting in a noisy environment or prefer reading what's being discussed due to personal preference. It's a small adjustment that can make a huge difference in communication during virtual meetings. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully enabled live captions in Microsoft Teams, enhancing accessibility for all participants. Remember, you can always toggle this feature on or off at any point during the meeting should you need it. Teams continues to be a versatile tool for communication, and features like live captions show just how adaptable it can be for our diverse communication needs. So, try it out in your next meeting and notice the difference it makes. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide has helped you navigate this valuable feature in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tips. Until next time, happy meeting.